Students, today we will learn about some weeds. So you see, this is the weed of Parthenium. Actually, these weeds come on their own and they appear beautiful also. As you can see here, they have got flowers, white colored flowers are on the green leaves. So they appear very good, very beautiful to our eyes. But actually, weeds are the plants which take up nutrients, water and other minerals which are provided to the main crop, and they do not allow the main crop to grow properly as they consume the nutrients and water and minerals from the soil or in the form of fertilizers which is provided to the plants. So we should remove, rather the farmer removes the weeds timely so as to get a good yield of his crop. So here you can see Parthenium has grown on a very large area of this field. So we will learn more about such plants, weeds, harms caused by them from our own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel. So stay tuned. Weeds are basically grasses or unwanted plants. You can see these weeds have or grasses have these seeds and flowers also on them, and actually they spread, generally most of them they spread by wind. They have got feathers on them. Some of them they stick to your body also, like these, and they will spread. You can see here also, this one can stick to your body. It is having some pointed structure, so it can stick to your body, and it will spread on a large area by either sticking to animal fur or by sticking to your clothes and then falling out in a new area. Let's check in grasses what type of a venation is present. In the grasses you can see grass leaves are having parallel venation. There is the midrib here. The veins are parallel to each other, as you can see here. So grasses will be having fibrous root, and I can show you by taking out it, because it is a weed plant, so it should be actually taken out. So let me take out one grass and show you it is very hard, so it needs lots of pressure. You can see little bit root has come out and it is a fibrous root. Let's take out more grass and see what type of a root it is having. So you can see this is all fibrous root which is present in this grasses, because they are having parallel venation, so roots are fibrous root. Weeds can be of various types and they have got various methods of propagation. It can be long grasses like these. It can be spread by wind, like here you can see in these. The seeds are very small, they can flow in the air, and with the help of wind it can spread. It can spread by attaching to our skin or our furs of the animals and to our dresses like these. They have got some pointed structures and they will attach to the skin or fur of the animals and the dresses of the people, like these also. You can see these weeds, how they are harmful for the plant. You should understand that. Like here you see there is a crop plant, and in between that, actually this is a herbal plant. In between that so many weeds have come out that you don't know that which is a weed and which is a plant. Weeds have to be cut timely and removed, because if they are not cut timely, they will take up the nutrients and food which was needed by the main crop plant. These weeds, they come up on their own. They spread by means of wind or by animal fur. You can see these weeds, they are having some feathery structures on them. So these are very lightweight. Seeds are there in these weeds, like you can see in these grasses. the seeds are very, very light in weight, and they will spread on their own. They will stick to your body, or they will stick to some animal fur, and they will spread on their own with the wind, and some of them they spread in water also, like your duckweed. What these weeds do and why we should remove them. So if you ask a question like that, the answer is that weeds should be removed because they take up all the nutrients which should have been given to a crop plant. As they grow on their own, they will cover a large area, as you can see here, and if they are not removed timely, they will take up space, they will take up sunlight, and they will spread, and they will not give the crop produce which is needed by the crop plant. So everywhere you can see here, so many weeds have come out. Even these creepers which have grown on the ground, they are actually weeds. So nature has a tendency to grow. So that's why you are seeing so many unwanted weeds are there all around, because of the lockdown situation, as proper cleaning and cutting of the weeds is not being done. But this is actually harming the main plants or herbal plants which are here, because they are taking up the nutrients, water, minerals, whichever are needed by the main crop plant. So main crop plant has to compete with the weeds, and whichever is able to grow better will grow faster and will cover larger area. And here it seems that the weeds have won over the major herbal plant. So most of the area is being covered by these weeds. Weeds can come up in these different forms. Here you can see very small grasses are there on the ground. Then you have got some big grasses here. Big grasses have come up. Some very big grasses are there. Then you have got some creepers on the ground. Then you have got some plants like these, which are also weeds. Even some mulberry plants which come up like this on their own, they are weeds because we have not sown them. So any plant which grows on its own is a weed, and if it comes up in between your major crop plants, then naturally it's going to harm the plant. This other plant which you are seeing here is actually not a weed, it is grown from this tree. There is a tree here you can see, and the tree has given rise to some fruits also. So seeds of this tree has fallen down and it has given rise to this plant. So you can actually take it out and grow it at another place. Otherwise it will also not grow properly because it's not getting proper space here. As you see, it is growing in a small area just adjacent to this tree. So if you grow it separately in another place, it will not be a weed. Otherwise it will be also a weed here. And this mulberry bush which has come up here, it is actually a weed. This is another type of wild creeper which has come up on its own. You see how it creeps on the ground and the roots come up on its under surface. So that's why it's able to creep on the ground like this. It has spread over a very, very large area, as you see here. It has come up to the walk path. There are some weeds which give rise to flowers, and they look beautiful also. Like you can see, this is a weed which has given rise to some flowers. These are some white flowers on these weeds. So all of these weeds have got their own names, and some of these weeds are specific. They come in special crop plants. So weeds are basically plants which will harm the major crop plant because they take up all the nutrients, water, mineral, space, and they compete with the major crop plant. So they have to be removed. Now how to remove these weeds? I will show you some tools which will help in the removal of the weeds. See, these are two tools which can be used for removal of the weeds, and for preparation of soil we can use this spade and we can use this trowel or khurpi. This is the trowel or khurpi which can be used, and this is the spade. And we have learnt in one of our videos how to fix the wooden handle to this khurpi or trowel and to this spade, this wooden handle. How it is fixed by expansion and contraction, that we have already studied. So I think you have known the tools also which are utilized for removal of the weeds. So like this you have to use the trowel or khurpi to remove the weeds from your surroundings. If weeds are there, then it will spread. So it's better to remove it from the ground, from its roots itself, so that it will not spread and it will not harm the major crop or main plants which are there. So like this, cleaning of the area around you is necessary from time to time. These weeds or grasses, they come up and they grow up on their own. So they have to be removed timely. See, from the roots it is taken out. So you have to remove these weeds from their roots, otherwise they will grow out on their own. And for this purpose you have to use a trowel or khurpi as shown here. Otherwise these weeds will grow on their own. You have to use this spade in this way to clean the area around your place, and wherever you have to sow something or you have to plant some tree, you will have to use this spade like this. Actually it helps in digging out the roots and upturning or tillage of the soil. Weeds have to be regularly pruned like this. Here you can see number of weeds are kept which have been taken out from this lawn by help of a lawn mower. So weeds have to be regularly pruned, otherwise they will grow in a large area and they will reduce the beauty of the gardens. The air is filled into the sprayer. After that spraying becomes quite easy. So the gardener is going to spray on the plants, and you can see the process of spraying, in which he will press the nozzle of the sprayer. So I hope you are understanding good things and you are enjoying being a part of Unique Learning. So stay tuned and let's learn about such wonderful things from your own channel, that is Unique Learning. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to give your like and your wonderful remarks, and be a part of the channel, share it with your friends. So happy learning. Thank you.